Elasticsearch has a very cool feature called discovery. Using that functionality, it can grow its network to hundreds or thousands of different nodes and form a very big cluster or clusters. Elasticsearch has this inbuilt functionality of scaling as the needs of the customer grows. Imagine an enterprise having 10 million customers today and would want to use Elasticsearch to generate some business insights about its customer data. Since this enterprise is selling a very hot product, within a year the customer base is increased to say 100 million customers. Now to accommodate this growth, other systems may require redesigning the process, or buying bigger and faster servers, adding the more nodes to the network manually, and configuring a lot of changes across the entire cluster. But Elasticsearch has a very simple solution which comes at a very affordable price. When I say affordable price, it just needs you to add small machines with some configuration change on those machines, and the whole cluster will automatically add them and grow itself. It's something like if you have played with Logo blocks, it's like you can add more and more blocks and build bigger and bigger structures. It's something like that in Elasticsearch.